Hello students. Now we are going to discuss daily assignment dated 4th August 2020. First question. All the questions are additional questions as there are no questions in our material from today's topic. Okay? Right. Kingdom A includes all B chlorophyll containing organisms commonly called plants. This is the statement, textbook statement as it is. Kingdom A includes all B chlorophyll containing organisms commonly called as plants. In the given statement, B and A respectively. So what is A here? Kingdom, plant A. Okay. B includes all B chlorophyll containing here eukaryotes. The statement is, so here the question is B and A respectively we have to write. B and A means B is eukaryotes, A is plant. Here in options in respective order, same order, eukaryotic and plant. First option is correct answer. Most of us choose plant and eukaryotic. If A and B respectively given, then the correct answer is second option. But in the question B and A is given. Hence first option is correct answer. Okay, right. Next, question 2. A few members of plant A are partially. Almost members in plant kingdom are autotrophic. Almost members are autotrophic, but very few members are heterotrophic. Some are parasites. Okay, so a few members autotrophic, no. Heterotrophic, correct. Autotrophic, no. Mixotrophic, no. Saprophytic, no. Few members are heterotrophic. Okay, what that heterotrophic organisms? They do not have chlorophyll, like Cuscuta, Orabanki, Belenophora, Rafflesia. All these plants are heterotrophic. They do not have chlorophyll. Okay, some organisms are there, some plants are there. They have chlorophyll. They prepare their food material, but they depend on other organisms for nitrogen. They are called as insectivorous plants. About all those we discuss in next class. Next, third question. The plant cells have eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplasts alone. This statement is correct. Alone is given. It means some other options also there. We have to go through them also. Cell wall made up of chitin. Wrong. Chitinous cell wall is the characteristic feature of fungi, not plant kingdom. Hence, we discussed second option. Third option, cell wall mainly made up of cellulose. Correct. So, first option correct, third option correct. Because in plant kingdom, chloroplasts are present and cell wall made up of cellulose also is present. Hence, 1 and 3. Fourth option is correct answer. Next, fourth question. Plant includes algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnospermae and angiospermae. Gymnospermae and angiospermae together called as spermatophytes. Algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, these are non-flowering plants. Gymnosperm and angiospermae are flowering plants. All these are present in plant kingdom. Hence our answer is A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E. Hence fourth option is a correct answer. Next, life cycle of plants has two distinct phases. The diploid phase is sporophyte, correct answer. Gametophyte, wrong. Parasitic, wrong. Non-chlorophyllous, wrong. Here, in any plant, algae to angiosperms, see, a haploid phase called gametophyte, which reproduces by sex hormone, and a diploid phase sporophyte. Okay, The gametophyte produces sporophyte. Sporophyte produces gametophyte. Alternatively, these two phases moves. Okay, ma? Depending the lifespan of each of these two, and whether it is autotrophic or heterotrophic depends on its life cycle. Hence, the correct answer is sporophyte. See, diploid phase is sporophyte. What is asked here? The diploid phase is. Hence, sporophyte is correct answer. First option. Next. Question 6. In kingdom plant, the lengths of haploid and diploid phases and whether these phases are free living or dependent on others vary among different groups in plants. It is called as, this phenomenon is called. In previous question we have seen there are two phases in plant life cycle. They are one, haploid phase gametophyte, diploid phase sporophyte. Okay, the haploid may depend on diploid or diploid may depend on haploid or both may be independent, anything. Okay, in algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnospermae, angiospermae, in the course of time the nature of this haploid and diploid phases is changed. Nature is changed. Okay, ma? Right. This phenomena is called alternation of generations is the answer. Alternation of generations means in kingdom plant, every plant haploid phase, diploid phases are present. This haploid phases and diploid phases lifespan varies and nature also varies. This phenomena is called alternation of generations. Parasitism is wrong, autotrophism is not applicable, even pollination also is not applicable. Next, seventh question, sorry. Bladderwort. Bladderwort is an insectivorous. Next, even eighth question, Venus flytrap. Bladderwort and Venus flytrap. These are autotrophic. These two plants are chlorophyllous. Do remember, these are not non-chlorophyllous. These are chlorophyllous. Like all other plants, these also prepare their food material. But as they grow in nitrogen deficient soils for nitrogen, they trap the insects and digest them. Okay, these cannot be called as completely parasitic. These cannot be called as completely heterotrophic. Basically, these are autotrophic organisms, but for nitrogen, they trap the insects. Hence, for seventh question, correct answer is insectivorous plant, first option. For eighth question, also insectivorous plant, first option is correct answer. Okay. Next, Cuscuta is A or N. Cuscuta is A or N. It is a plant with chlorophyll. Wrong statement, Amma. It does not have a chlorophyll. Next, it is a parasitic plant. Yes, it is correct answer. Cuscuta has no chlorophyll. This is the plant, but it has no chlorophyll. Next, it is an animal. Wrong. It is an organism with locomotory organs. Wrong. Second option is correct. Okay. Next, 10th question. Find a true statement from the following. So, while answering this type of questions, we have to concentrate more on this statement. Very important task it is. While reading the lesson, utmost care is needed. While reading the statement in examination hall also needs utmost care. Look, the plant cells have a eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplast and cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. This is correct statement. No mistake is found in this. Okay. Next, we will see second statement. Life cycle of plants has two distinct phases. One is diploid sporophyte and haploid gametophyte, which alternate each other is the statement given in textbook. But what is given? Which do not alternate is given. Hence, this statement is wrong. If do not word is not present here, it is correct statement. Okay. Next, bladderwort, Venus flytrap, and Cuscuta are insectivorous plants. This statement also is wrong because bladderwort, Venus flytrap or insectivorous plants. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. We have seen in this question. Hence, statement 3 also is wrong. 2 wrong, 3 also is wrong. Next, kingdom plant includes all prokaryotic, wrong. All eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms called as plants. Okay, so while reading this sentence, our brain may not find this type of mistakes. Hence, you are all suggested to go through this type of questions carefully. Okay, ma'am. See, here do not is given, hence it is wrong. Here insectivorous plant, Cuscuta is given as insectivorous plant, wrong. Next, here kingdom plant is included with prokaryotes, it is also wrong. Here eukaryotes. Okay, ma? Right. Thank you. This is for today. Thank you.